Good morning children, I hope class 9th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing linear equations in two variables, already one exercise we have done, 4.1 from NCERT. I hope you must have completed. Today we are going to see solution of linear equations and exercise 4.2 including some examples. So let's start. Here you have solution of a linear equation. Try to learn each and every line in proper way so that your concept will be clear and in understanding you will not be having any problem. So here you see, you have seen that every linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. If you remember any linear equation, suppose 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 of one variable. One variable you have. If you want to find out the value of this, what you will get? 2x is equal to minus 5 and x will be equal to minus 5 by 2. It means what? If linear equation you have in one variable, you will get unique solution. One solution only you will get. Already you have learned this. What can you say about the solution of a linear equation involving two variables? So suppose if two variables are there, any equation you have, suppose 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Or in the same way, if any other equation you have of two variables. And there are two variables in the equation, a solution means a pair of values. One for x and one for y, which satisfy the given equation. Let us consider the equation. Suppose it has been taken one equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, which is having two variables x and y. Here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is a solution because when you substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 in the equation above, you find that 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Suppose if your equation is, you have your equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. If you are putting value x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, then what will be? 6 plus 6, it means 12. It means if you are putting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, value what you are getting, that is equal to the value which is in right side. It means these x and y are the solution of the given equation. This solution is written as an ordered pair, that 3, 2. It means the value of x is equal to 3 and the value of y is equal to 2. First writing the value of x and then the value of y. Similarly 0, 4 is also a solution for the equation above. Again, if you are putting value x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4, you will get the solution. It means you will get 12. So 0 and 4 are also the solution of the equation, given equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. On the other hand, 1, 4 is not a solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 because on putting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 14, which is not equal to 12. Note that 0, 4 is a solution but not 4, 0. This you remember. If you are writing 0, 4 cannot be equal to 4, 0. Means here we write x, value of x and then y. So here value of x would be 4 and here y is equal to 0. So this value if you are putting, you will not get the solution. You have seen at least two solutions for 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Is that 3, 2 and 0, 4. Can you find any other solution? Do you agree that 6, 0 is another solution? Put the value and find out and verify. In fact, we can get many solutions in the following way. pick a value of your choice for x, suppose 2. In 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, then the equation reduces to 4 plus 3y is equal to 12, which is a linear equation in one variable. On solving this, you get y is equal to 8 by 3. So 2 and 8 by 3 are also the solution of the given equation. Similarly, if x is equal to minus 5, you will get y is equal to 22 by 3. Hence, minus 5 and 22 by 3 will be also the solution of the given equation. And so, there is no end to different solutions of a linear equations in two variables. That is, our linear equations in two variables have infinitely many solutions. If linear equation is there of two variables, then it will be having many solutions, infinitely many solutions. Here you have one example. Find four different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. How it is to be found out? What can be done? Just you assume x is equal to some value. Suppose you take this. Here you have x plus 2y is equal to 6. Suppose x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 0, whatever you wish to put. So 2 plus 2y is equal to 6 and 2y is equal to 6 minus 2, or y will be equal to 4 by 2, it means y is equal to 2. So when you are assuming x is equal to 2, y you will get. If x is equal to 0, in this case y will be what? 0 plus 2y is equal to 6, so 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 by 2, it means 3. So when your x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. In the same way, suppose x is equal to 1, in this case 1 plus 2y is equal to 6, so 2y is equal to 6 minus 1 and y is equal to 5 by 2. If x is equal to 3, then 3 plus 2y is equal to 6 and 2y is equal to 6 minus 3 and therefore y will be equal to 3 by 2. So what you have got? If you suppose x is equal to 2, y what you have got? Y you have got 2. So one solution you have got x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. The other solution you can get 0 and 3. The other solution you can get 1 and 5 by 2. In the same way, the other solution you have got 3 and 3 by 2. In the same way, many solutions you can get. It just you need to do what? X you need to assume. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, positive integer, even negative integer also can be taken and find out the value of y. Next you see, find two solutions for each of the following equations. In the same way you need to solve the equations also. One question you see, here you have, suppose 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Then 3y will be equal to 12 minus 4x. Now let x is equal to 0. Then y will be what? 3y is equal to 12 minus 4 into 0. It means y is equal to 12 by 3 and therefore y will be 6. 3 4 just 12, 4. So one solution you have got 0 and 4. The other solution just you assume any number. Suppose if you are assuming x is equal to 1. In this case 3y will be equal to 12 minus 4 into 1. It means 12 minus 4 and y will be equal to 8 by 3. So here you have got 1 and 8 by 3. So in the same way, if more solution if you want to get, just you assume x and you will find out y. So in the same way, these questions can be solved. So just you go through solutions, and then you have exercise 4.2. Which one of the following options is true and why? Here you have y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. So here you have y is equal to 3x plus 5. This can be written as y minus 3x is equal to 5, and this is what? This is a linear equation in two variables. Just now you have seen, if linear equation is there of two variables, then infinitely many solutions you will get. So this will be your answer, infinitely many solutions you will get. Second question you have, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. First question you have, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Just you see, you can write y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Now what you need to do, just you assume x is equal to, suppose if x is equal to 0, in this case y will be 7 minus 2 into 0. It means y is equal to 7. If x is equal to 1, in this case y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. It means y is equal to 7 minus 2 and y is equal to 5. In the same way, if x is equal to 2, then y will be equal to 7 minus 2 into 2. It means 7 minus 4, it means 3. Y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, then y will be equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. It means 7 minus 6, it means 1. So what you have got? First solution you have got 0 and, first you have got 0 and 7. Second you have got 1 and 5. Third you have got 2 and 3. And fourth you have got 3 and 1. 3 and 1. So this is your answer. So in this way, you need to find out the solution. So question number 2, you have another questions which are required to be solved. Just to see main question how it is to be solved. Here you have pi x plus y is equal to 9. So y will be equal to 9 minus pi x, and if x is equal to 0, in this case y will be equal to 9 minus pi into 0, it means y is equal to 9. If x is equal to 1, in this case y will be equal to 9 minus pi into 1, it means 9 minus pi. So what answer we have got? 0 and 9. First solution you have got. The other solution you have got 1, 9 minus pi. So this is your answer. In the same way, this question can be solved. Just you assume x is equal to 0. So y will be what? 0. X is equal to 1. Y will be equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 2. Y will be 2 by 4. In the same way, you just need to find it. Question number 3, you see, check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. So just what you need to do, just you put the value what has been given. Here you have, suppose, take which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. What you need to do? X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 you need to put. By substituting 0 and 2 in the given equation, what you will get? 0 minus 2 into 2, and that is equal to minus 4, and that is not equal to 4. Therefore 0 and 2 are not the solution, of the given equation. Just you need to put the value of x and y. If it is coming to RHS, then that is the solution of the equation, otherwise not. Next you put, suppose 2 and 0 if you are putting, x minus 2y equal to 4 you have, x minus 2y equal to 4. If you are putting the value 2 and 0, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. If you are putting, what you will get? 2 minus 2 into 0, it means 2 minus 0, it means 2, and again 2 is not equal to 4, therefore 2 0 is also not the solution of the given equation. Then you find out x minus 2y equal to 4, x minus 2y equal to 4, and then you have 4 and 0. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. Then you see 4 minus 2 into 0, and that is equal to 4, and that is equal to 4, that is RHS. Therefore 4 0 is the solution of the given equation. In this way you need to solve the question. So other value just you put this value also in this. If RHS 4 is coming after simplification, then the given solution is the solution of the given equation, otherwise not. Question number 4 you see, find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. This is solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Here you see x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, and your equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So by substituting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, what we will get? 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k, or 4 plus 3 is equal to k, and therefore k will be equal to 7, and this will be your answer. So in this way you have completed this exercise 4.2. So similar questions if it is there in RS Agrawal. For practice you must practice by yourself. These questions you must do in your notebook. And next day we will see graph of a linear equation in two variables. Until then, thank you.